Hi folks, we are in Columbia, South Carolina, and we are at Firefly Toys and Games, and it's the first time I've been here. I'm going to check out the inside and see what it's like. So let's go! This looks like a pretty huge store. Yeah, I love their marquee up there, the logo. That's pretty cool. Yeah, Firefly Toys and Games. First time here. Look at the size of this store. This is huge. This is their gaming area right here. Check out all their miniature gaming, board games, models. Look at all this. I look at the dragon heads. Those are cool. I wonder if those are for sale. That'd be kind of cool if they are. But man, look at this. Here's all the Games Workshop stuff. D&D. Wow, this is pretty amazing. I didn't realize this store was going to be this huge. All the miniatures here. Man. Oh, I love that goblin up there. That's pretty neat. The mind flare head right there. And the dragons. Look at this. Tons of Warhammer models. I'm just going to go up and down every aisle that I can. Man, look at this. This is amazing. Look at all these board games. Oh, look at all the statues up there. Oh, that's nice. So cool. You can hear them gaming way in the back there. Guess they have a tournament going on. So cool. So they have an information board up there too on the wall. They have mind flare. The owl bear head up there. Man, I could spend all day here. Check these out. I think that's Dritz right there, the elf. From Salvatore's books. Very nice. Check these little goblin looking guys. Got a showcase here. And here's some of their swag from Firefly. Very nice. It looks like you get certain stamps if you purchase things here over time. You get some cool stuff. Look at this. There's your checkout over there. But they got rows of plushies. Look at these. It looks like it may have been a small, like a grocery store or drugstore at one time. And now they've converted it into a gaming store. And it's well done too. Look at back here. Oh, here's your paints. More stuff for your miniatures. Paints and glues. More models for the games. Very nice. All kinds of collectibles. Oh, look at the licensed doormats. You get Deadpool, Spider-Man, Force. Nice Transformers. More paints and models. Got some stuff here in the showcases. Look at those guys. They're $6.79 each right there. Man. Oh, this is stuff going on Sunday. Oh, so they have the calendar right here on the wall. Kind of lets you know what's going on with tournaments and what gaming's going on that night. Very nice. Not sure what that is. Maybe it's prizes. That'd be kind of cool. Puzzles. So it's not just games. They got toys here too. And puzzles. Posters. Look at all these right here. Oh, these are cool. Another dragon. Oh, check the mermaid out. The mermaid clock. That is so neat. This is a pretty amazing store. I actually found it by accident. Driving through. But here's their gaming area. All their tabletop stuff is right here. And check it out. They have this arcade right here. Oh man. The classics here too. Check these out. There's Tekken. Oh wow. This is in that gaming store that we're in right now. They have a whole arcade here. Classic pinball. Lord of the Rings pinball. Very nice. Oh, I love the displays they have up here. You can actually see the game on the wall and see how they're doing. So you can watch them from the flat screen above the game. That is so cool. But this is amazing. Right inside this gaming store. I'm going to walk around the gaming tables, see what's going on. And look at all these board games right here that you can play. Look at the dragons. Nice. So you got a little bit of 40K going on, miniature gaming and fantasy. I love their displays, their miniature buildings for the games. It looks like it's, oh, we got the towel. Oh no, this Eldar playing Chaos right there. Very nice. Must be a tournament going on. Look, they have all this set up. Check the dragon out. That's so cool. We back up a little bit. Here you go. But they're hot and heavy into these games. So fantasy was over there. So 40K is over here. Yeah, they're playing Warhammer 40K. Yeah, it must be a tournament. That's what it looks like. Yeah. Oh, look at all the extra buildings here for your table, for your setups. Very cool. Turn around here. Nice. I mean, it's a huge gaming area. And look at all these extra tables for card games. Magic the Gathering, Pokemon, just tons of different card games out there nowadays. I can't keep track of them all. They're playing some games over here as well. But this is like an amazing gaming area. It's huge. I love the dragons, the statues there. Very cool. And also right here in these display cases, they got more stuff for sale. Very nice. So be sure to check out this. I got like specialty dice too. If you want like custom dice, look at those. Those are really nice. And those cases too. Such a cool store. And all your card games over here on this side. So they got them categorized like in certain areas. And over here you get video games. Very nice. More custom dice. So cool. Different little table things you roll your dice on. But yeah, they got models and video games over here, like Gundam, plushies. There you go, now you can see more. Such a great looking gaming store. Oh, check these cards out. Those are nice. Like I said, there's so many card games nowadays. I can't keep track. I just know the main ones like Magic the Gathering and Pokemon. But there's so many more. All kinds of accessories for your cards. Card holders over here too. Gaming backpacks. Very nice. More display games over here. Yeah, got video games on display. Look at all these Gundam models. Oh, these are so cool. I've never built one. Been tempted to because they did this. They look awesome. And here's some more games right here in the display case. And if you don't feel like building stuff, they got some here for sale. It looks like, or it tells you who put them together. These are cool. Assembled by and detailed by Stuart Kuhn. And that's a Gundam right there. Holding a lightsaber. That's pretty awesome. Oh, look at these figures here. Those are neat looking. All along here. So you want to start collecting crazy looking dolls here. Look like skeletons. I'm not sure what those are. If you know what those are, let me know. They do look cool though. Yeah, look at this cupcake. Wow, look at these little Gundams ready to go. Right out of the package. Those are nice. And $25 right there. And these are pretty neat. I like those. And you got some Disney figurines right here in the showcase. Very nice. Now, if you don't want to buy fancy dice that are real expensive, you can get these right here. More reasonable right here. All kinds. Here's your traditional 6-sided dice, because a lot of times there are some games that require 20 dice, 6-sided dice to roll for certain things. That I remember anyway. Get more here. Got stuff for kids here too. That's pretty cool. You got Barbie stuff. That's neat. So the girls come here and get some cool toys. Or guys, you collect those. Look at all this. So yeah, you got baby games that you can play with your kids. More Barbies. A lot of Barbies. Nice. Lots to choose from. Oh, we got lunch boxes too. Yeah, that's cool. Man, they literally have a little bit of everything. Check out the Jack in the Box. The Disney ones here. We got Batman too. Very nice. There's Jack. All kinds of cool plushies. You got avocados. There you go. If you want an avocado plushie that you want to sleep with in bed, a little kid, or even if you're an adult, you want to turn it into an avocado pillow. There you go. Got a teapot or something there. Or a mug. Legos. I got Legos too. Man, just about everything for kids in this store. And big kids. Look at all this stuff. Very nice. I just love the assortment of plushies. Look at all those. Oh, we got some collector stuff here too. Looks like more puzzles and games. Along here, more plushies. This is a fantastic gaming store. Let me raise up here and see it all. Now, if I wanted a plushie, yeah, he's cute. I like him. He's pretty neat looking. Let me see how much he is. He's 25 for him. You got a moose next to him right there. But yeah, he's heavy too. He's got some weight to him. And let me see what that is. Warmies. They're called warmies. And you stick them in the microwave and they warm up and they keep you warm in your bed or something with your kid or yourself. Yeah, I've heard about those. I didn't know you could put them in the microwave. That's neat. And these are called punchkins. Check them out. They're like food plushies. I'm getting hungry now. You know, a hot dog. More avocados. What's that right there? Dim sum. Tacos. Hamburgers. Another piece of sushi. Those are neat. Piece of pizza. But yeah, food plushies. And here's some cool little Lucy miniatures. $3 each. Those are neat. You can customize them. Get those. I think they're kind of related to the old Clicks game, maybe. Or they come from old board games. So if you need extra characters on your board, there you go, $3 each. And they've got some really nice chess sets here. If you want like a traditional game of chess or checkers, yeah, they get those here too. Yeah, I just love these guys up here. So nice. Dragons. There's a mind flare. Those are neat. I just really love this goblin here. This guy. That's pretty cool. And right below the goblin is My Little Pony. Dungeons and Dragons style right there. And this one is like Pathfinder miniatures for the Pathfinder role-playing game. And D&D as well. And they're pre-painted, so if you don't want to paint them yourself, they're already done, ready to go. Very nice. And check out Reaper Bones. That huge dragon model. That thing looks massive. I do have the Pathfinder game, role-playing game. Gotta go through these and see if I need anything. But they also have D&D, of course. So they have a little bit of everything. But there's so many gaming systems now. Hundreds, literally hundreds. And also you have the reenactment games, you know, the historical games and miniatures as well. And just everything. Look at all the creatures there. Those are neat. And tons of Lord of the Rings miniatures here. And also the game from Games Workshop. If you haven't played, you get the box sets here you start with. Very nice. Then right next to Lord of the Rings, you get the Star Wars miniature game. More card games right here as well. This is an amazing store. I love this store. I will definitely be back when I'm back in Columbia. That is for sure. And I'll have all the information in the description. So I hope you enjoyed my visit here at Firefly. This was an awesome gaming store. Massive gaming store. Everything you can think of gaming is in here. Plus a lot of more stuff like the plushies and the toys. And all the gaming space they have here is amazing. So be sure to check out Firefly if you're ever here in Columbia, South Carolina. I will have all their information in the description. Thanks guys for joining me today while we visited Firefly.